this is Mrs. Granger from Marisa. Today I'll be showing you how to make crunchy pizza cakes. Okay, I have all the ingredients ready to make the crunchy pizza cake. For crust, I'm going to use an English muffin. You're welcome to use anything that you have, a pita, a bagel, a rice cake, and you can toast this if you want to. I kind of like it not toasted, so I'm going to leave it just as it is. Next, I'm going to put some pizza sauce on. Just a little bit of pizza sauce in the middle. If you have marinara sauce, that works really good too. Spread it all over. And then I have all my vegetables washed and chopped up. We want to make sure that we wash our vegetables before we use them. And if you look at the pretty colors, I like to choose colors of the rainbow. Did you know that every color gives our body something else it needs, a different vitamin or a mineral? So each of the different colors of the rainbow, we try to get them all. I chopped up a little bit of broccoli, some carrots. This is going to be a great crunch. I have red pepper and green pepper. You can use whatever kind of vegetables you like to. I change it up all the time. Kind of look for what's on sale and what's looking good at the grocery store. Sugar snap peas go really well in this. They give a nice crunch. Okay, next I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. Okay, and now I actually have a secret ingredient I'm going to share with you. Did you make a guess at what my secret ingredient might be? Did you guess this? Do you know what this is? Did you guess pineapple? If you did, you are right. It is a secret ingredient, but I'm going to add just a few pieces on top of my pizza. Had you ever had pineapple on your pizza before? Until this recipe, I've never had pineapple on my pizza, and I was a little worried at first. I thought, I'm not so sure I'm going to love it, but I'm going to be a brave taste tester, and I'm going to try it. And guess what, you guys? I loved it. It was so yummy. So I'm going to challenge you to be a brave taste tester too and try out a little pineapple on this pizza. See what you think. And there you go. There's the finished product of the crunchy pizza cake. Go ahead and take a bite and tell me what you think.